I love a G-Shock, but some of them are pretty big. Is it time for a smaller G-Shock? Let's measure some of my current ones and find out. G-Shock GBD500, 47.3mm across. G-Shock GA2110, 45.2mm across. DW6900, a whopping 50mm across. And this G-Shock GD-B500, 38.4mm across. But what is this watch really like? Let's find out in my latest review. Welcome everybody, welcome Casio fans to another watch review. Today it's a G-Shock review. G-Shock, hell yeah. Today I've bought one of these, the GD-B500-7ER. See what it's like, I suppose. Try it on, have a little play with the buttons, show you the backlight, that sort of stuff. Yeah, so I bought one, I got it for about £74, which I thought was a good deal. And yeah, here it is in the box, ready for review. Let's not beat about the bush, let's open it up, find out what it's like. Okie doke, here we go. Fresh little G-Shock. Can't wait to open this one, see what it's like. Straight out the box. Little bag. Casio's gone for this little G-Shock bag again. I kind of feel like they're trying to sort of get rid of the tins maybe on some of their cheaper G-Shocks now. I understand that on most of their G-Shocks there still is normally a tin, but on this one, cute little bag. Cute little bag, but a lot of people would definitely be hating this bag. So here we go. Wow, what? Where's the screen? Hold on, let me just shine a light on this screen so you can all see it. Bloody hell. They really, maybe they should stop doing these negative displays. They're just, you can hardly see them. Why is it so dim? Is there something wrong with it? I don't know. Hold on. There you go. In the okay, just for reference, the picture on Amazon and the reality of the screen of this watch, you can't see a bloody thing. Wow. It's literally a foot away. I can't read the time. 2 foot away-ish. I kind of feel like they need to stop doing that. Stop making these godforsaken negative displays. But overall, it looks like a lovely watch. The reason I bought this watch is because I wear a G-Shock at work, also with a negative display. And for some reason, I thought this could be a replacement of sorts for that watch, just because it's smaller, more compact. It's got all the features, step tracker and whatnot. So, yeah, but really not impressed with this display at all. But it is a nice looking watch. It is a nice looking watch. Let's take this cardboard out. Let's get this label off here. Okay, there we go. Get that off there. Just some of the features. Shock resistant, obviously. G-Shock, Bluetooth, step tracker, LED light, 100th second stopwatch, countdown timer, lap 200, dual time, daily alarm, 200 meters of water resistance. Tickety boo. Okay, let's just talk a bit more about this watch. There we go. You can actually see something there. Let's show you just some of the features. You got your stopwatch. You got your records of time, timers, multiple time zones, alarms. Yeah, I quite like how it's split into 3. I think design-wise, it's a pretty nice, sweet little watch that they've made. It's just that this might be the most awful display I've ever seen. Do you already own one of these watches? Or, you know, if you're coming to this channel to watch this video to decide whether to buy one, is, is this putting you off? It would definitely put me off. Let me just turn this light off a minute. Okay, this is with no light on it. You can sort of see it. It's visible, I would say. Dee 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 dee. On the wrist. There we go. Pretty comfy. Not the comfiest I've worn, I must say. The strap feels a bit strange. It's kind of a weird material. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a little bit rough, this strap. I've not actually owned a Casio with this style of strap before. It's a new material. I've not come across this before. Don't like that. It's kind of, I don't know, weird. Weird strap. So far, so not good, really. The strap, I don't like this strap. The screen is terrible, and I don't like this strap. Pretty disappointed so far. I like this though, that's pretty cool. Visually, I like the way it looks. I like these little kind of angles on here, both sides. I think that's pretty cool. Nice little design feature. The strap over, there's just something weird about this watch. I don't know what it is, but it fits pretty snug. It feels good on the wrist, but I'm not into this strap. It's a weird material, very weird. Sorry about this, folks. We've got a bit of a negative review of this negative display today. Yeah, like I said, unless you've got light directly on it, you're not really seeing a lot. Shame. Real shame. Lazy design. Let's just take it off a minute. So yeah, it's nice. I love the size of it. I just think that they've not done that well with the finer details of this watch. It's lovely and thin. The size is good. I like the shape. I like the look of the strap. I like these kind of wishes, these wishy lines through there. Quite like that. Quite like these little angles. They're pretty nice. But I just don't like this strap. Very odd. Very odd indeed. So far, it's a thumbs down from me. Let's check the backlight out on this, and let's hope it can redeem itself and get back into my good books. Okay, folks, here we are for this backlight test. Let's press this button, which is on the top right. Okay. Not too bad. Again, I don't know what it is with this screen. It's quite a poor display, I would say. The backlight is not that strong, as you would expect from your normal G-Shocks. Might be the reason why they're kind of reducing these quite a bit. Probably not selling too many, I wouldn't imagine. Well, guys, that was a backlight test, and yeah, wasn't too pleased with it, really. It's quite a disappointing watch overall. In fact, if Casio want to make this a more legible display, maybe they should have the backlight continuously on. It's the only way it's usable. If, like me, you watched the Mad Watch Collector's review of this watch, I thought he was being harsh when he kind of slated this watch. And I wanted to give it a chance, but he was absolutely right. This is not a good G-Shock. It's really not a good G-Shock. In fact, this is about £100. If you're going to spend £100 on a G-Shock, don't buy this. Buy one of these, the GBD500. This is a much, much more superior watch. I mean, look at that. You can't even compare the two, really. This is about £100. This is about £100. Don't bother buying that. Get one of these, is my advice. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you decide. and I'll see you all soon for the next Casio watch review.